In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your spark plugs and coils on a 2016 to 2021 Hyundai Tucson. Take the engine cover off by pushing it up. These are the 4 tabs that are holding it in. The firing order is 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's if you're trying to diagnose a misfire. To remove the wire harness, pull up on these little tabs and then pull out. You could either use your hand, a pick, or a flathead screwdriver. Using a pick or a flathead, this is how you push it up. With the tab all the way up, now you could just pull out the wire harness. If you're having a hard time getting it off, you could play around with it a little bit and push the tab in and out a little bit until it's able to pull out. Now you could use a 10mm socket and take out the coils. After unscrewing it, now you can start pulling the coils out. If you would like, you could also mark the coils or put them in organized order, just in case if you're going to use the same coils, you can know which one is which. That's in the case if you have a misfire. It helps you detect which coil has the misfire. The last coil is a little hard to get out, but you just have to align it right and you could just pull it straight out. To get the spark plugs out, you're gonna need a 5/8 deep socket. After breaking it free, you can loosen the rest of it by hand. To take out the spark plug, you could put the coil back inside and pull out the spark plug that way. Now you could put in your new spark plugs with the screwable part facing downwards. Now you could tighten the spark plugs with the 5/8 socket. If you plan on torquing them down, you torque them down to 18 to 22 foot-pounds depending on your engine. Now you could drop in your new coils. And tighten the 10mm bolts. Now you can plug back in the wire harness. After putting them in, push down on the little clip.